Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On my previous video of book insider section, I reviewed medicine textbooks for final year MBBS. Today I'm gonna review about surgical textbooks. Textbook for surgery for फाइनल ईयर MBBS. तो बुक इंसाइडर सेक्शन का जो पिछला वीडियो था वहाँ पर मैंने बताया था जो फाइनल ईयर में जो मेडिसिन सब्जेक्ट है उसके लिए क्या क्या टेक्स्ट बुक आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा या क्या नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा। तो आज हम बात करेंगे सर्जरी जो होता है सब्जेक्ट, इसके बारे में जो क्या क्या आपको टेक्स्ट बुक्स पढ़ना चाहिए, क्या लेना चाहिए, क्या नहीं लेना चाहिए। फ्रेंकली बात करते हैं तो सर्जरी एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो आपको किताब पढ़ के ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आएगा, बोरिंग लगेगा। मगर अब अगर ऑपरेशन थिएटर में घुस के आप खुद करते हो या देखते हो कि आपका सीनियर सर या कोई सीनियर आपके सामने कुछ कर रहा है, प्रैक्टिकल कुछ कर रहा है, तो वो देख के आपको या वो करके बहुत मज़ा आएगा। ठीक है, किताब पर कितना ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आएगा, मगर कैसे कैसे करना पड़ता है, क्या क्या करना पड़ता है, क्या क्या नहीं करना पड़ता है, अगर कुछ करने के बाद उल्टा इफेक्ट होता है तो उसको कैसे रिपेयर करना है, वो सब कुछ जानने के लिए आपको किताब तो पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा, मैंडेटोरी है। ठीक है, सो इन दिस सिचुएशन if you want to pass the exam and also you want to gain some knowledge in your brain, then you need one textbook which is Manipal textbook of surgery. We also read this textbook in our time when we was in 4th year. Okay, so you have to study this book. In this textbook, diagrams are easy, flowcharts are easy, everything is nicely presented in box manner, in chart manner. Okay, so language are very easy to understand, not difficult English. Overall a good textbook for your theory, viva, even your entrance exam. Okay, but here another textbook is present which is best according to me. So this is the textbook which is known as SRB Manual of Surgery. Okay, so in this textbook everything is in details. Suppose few points are not present in Manipal textbook of surgery, but in this textbook it is present. In this textbook everything is in best, charts, disease, diagram, diagnosis, treatment purpose, adverse effects, everything is best. Okay, language also easy. So you can buy this textbook. If you think that you need to study only one textbook for final year, then this is the ultimate your destination, SRB Manual of Surgery. But if you think that you are such kind of student in your batch that you are not satisfied enough what is present or what is written in SRB or Manipal, you want maximum information, you want maximum knowledge for everything in very details in your brain, then I have one textbook for you which is S-Dash textbook of surgery. But again one thing, this textbook is boring because it is lack of diagrams, proper diagrams, it is lack of proper charts, flow charts, but everything is very important from first page to last page. Each and every lines are extremely important. Okay, extreme amount of knowledge, details are present in this textbook. Now in this case, if you want to study this textbook as dash, then you have to buy or you have to keep another textbook which is SRB and S dash. This textbook combination is ultimate best of the best choice for you. Okay, Bailey and Love, this is the ultimate international textbook, but everything is very short and language is a little hard. Okay, treatment plan, disease, diagnosis, everything is symptoms. These are very short and compact. You will find few disease which are also not present in your SRB or Manipal or S-Dash. Mainly this is textbook for practical purpose. Okay, details you will not find any kind of details description here, so I will not recommend you to buy this textbook. Okay, also it is international textbook, so it is extremely costly. And if you don't care about surgery, if you don't like this subject but you want to pass this subject, you want to pass the theory and pass the exam and the rest all fuck off this subject, then one textbook for you is Singhi Yadiraj. So in that case, in this textbook you will find how to write long question answers, how to write short question answers. Okay, so this is ultimate exam guide. Still I will recommend you to buy SRB textbook because in practical or in viva few questions will ask you that you will not find in this textbook and you will fail in viva exam. Okay, so this is the ultimate review of this surgery subject. According to me, if I want to suggest you, then I will suggest you buy S-Dash and SRB both textbook together. If you don't have money, take it from your seniors. If you don't have money, buy second hand or third hand textbook or download it from internet. Both textbooks are available in PDF format. All these textbooks are available in PDF format. So download it and study. Okay, that's all. See you again with another textbook review. Till then, bye.